Today, traders, 1 minute mindset reset. Today, we're talking about mastering your certainty. One of the things, I'm at the rink with the boys, they're doing power skating, and one of the things we talked about tonight before they got on the ice was you have to be able to develop unconscious competence in terms of executing your skill. And when you are constantly working on your craft and developing the certainty, that removes the analysis paralysis. Ice skating, I told the boys, you get to a point you don't think about anything when you're playing the game. It just becomes second nature because of the repetition of going over things thousands and thousands of times. And trading is very much like that. If you are constantly peeling things back to dissect what you will be able to do in live time, which is why the day count is so important to me, because the day count is what builds up the order flow. Day 1, day 2, day 3. You can have a day 1 on a Friday, day 2 on a Monday, and a day 3 on a Tuesday. For a 1 hour trade, it might go 2 hours, but you're in the trade for 1 hour, and it wipes out 2 days of trap volume maybe. So it can be a Thursday, Friday, Monday, a Thursday reset, a Friday, day 1, day 2, Monday, day 2, Tuesday. It might be a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. There are different types of setups. There are vertical moves that will hold down, low, or up high for 2 days after the vertical move. For a death line trade, a reversal, because there's trap volume up high or down low. Little things. You should be able to really hone in on very specific setups, why certain questions that I get regarding how do I recognize a trend, how do I know when the hour closes is going to be, and I reiterate that equity markets, that middle hour, London Open, Asia traders, there are trades in Asia, Aussie dollar, Japanese yen, euro and pound yen, off of major round numbers at the breaks of highs and lows. We talked about this on previous videos about how the day closes from New York. Is it a pump? Is it a consolidation? Is it a dump? Because that will give you a lot of insight for a setup if you have a playbook of setups, and the playbook is coming very close. So I've been juggling that, but I'm redoing a lot of it to get things very specific so that traders have the ultimate collection of best trade setups. And it's gonna hopefully be broken down so specifically for each setup, and there'll be some other things that will come along with that in terms of mastering your psychology, having the ultimate trader psychology toolbox. But your certainty, I've gone through some time frames where I recognize that my focus and my attention to detail wavered a little bit, and I talked about that in one of the previous videos. But your certainty should be getting closer and closer every single day, and the more you master that certainty, your certainty outweighs the market's uncertainty. If you master that, then everything else falls into place. So keep peeling back the onion on yourself in what you will do in live time, so that you're looking for very specific setups, and you can scroll through the instruments. You'll know if there's a setup or not. You'll know where and when to take that trade, and how to recognize if it's not setting up properly. So keep it simple, traders. Make yourself a master of your craft. Have a great day, and may the markets go with you.